Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper wire versus aluminum wire. We will start by examining their fundamental electrical properties. Copper is well known for its excellent conductivity, allowing it to carry more current through a smaller cross-section. In contrast, aluminum needs to be about 1.5 times larger in diameter to safely conduct the same amount of electricity, which can affect conduit fill and overall installation space. Next, let's consider the practical aspects of cost and weight. Aluminum is significantly lighter, weighing about 1/3 as much as an equivalent copper wire. This weight advantage makes it easier to handle and install, especially for long runs. Furthermore, aluminum typically costs less per foot than copper, offering substantial savings on large-scale projects or when purchasing extensive lengths of wire. Moving on to strength and durability, copper is inherently stronger and more ductile than aluminum. This means copper can withstand more stress without breaking or deforming. Aluminum, however, is susceptible to a phenomenon called cold flow or creep, where it slowly deforms under constant pressure, such as within a screw terminal. This can cause connections to loosen, potentially leading to overheating or arcing. Finally, let's discuss corrosion and typical applications. Aluminum forms an insulating oxide layer quickly when exposed to air, which can increase resistance at connections. Special connectors and antioxidant pastes are often required to mitigate this. Copper is generally favored for most indoor residential and commercial wiring due to its reliability. Aluminum, conversely, is widely used for overhead utility lines and large service entrance conductors because of its lighter weight and lower cost.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.